Here's why the ROVE R2-4K dual dashcam could be a smart addition to your life. Let's take a closer look together. Quiz time. Which animal is known as the symbol of wisdom? Choices: A. Fox, B. Owl, C. Wolf, D. Dolphin. Think you've got the answer? Comment below and stay tuned till the end of the video for the reveal. Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up as we venture into the captivating world of dashcams, specifically the ROVE R2-4K dual dashcam. This isn't just any dashcam. It is the Rolls-Royce of dashcams, an epitome of innovation, efficiency, and sophistication. While it may seem like an ordinary car accessory, this little nugget of technology is redefining the way we perceive vehicle safety. Let's start with the headline act, the 4K front and rear dash camera. The ROVE R2-4K dual dashcam is a powerhouse of resolution, offering crisp and detailed videos that can pick up the tiniest details, like the license plate of the car zooming past you. The front camera captures videos in 4K Ultra HD, while the rear camera shoots in 1080p. This dual-action camera offers a wide field of view, enabling you to capture every bit of your journey in cinematic quality. Isn't it time your road trips got the Hollywood treatment they deserve? The ROVE R2-4K dual dashcam is also a STARVIS 2 sensor dashcam. This feature ensures the utmost clarity even in low-light conditions. Driving at night or in dimly lit areas? No problem. The STARVIS 2 sensor brilliantly enhances visibility, so you never miss a detail. It's like having a night vision goggle at your disposal, only better. Now, let's talk about the Wi-Fi dashcam with a free 128GB card. Yes, you read that right, a free 128GB card. The ROVE R2-4K dual dashcam integrates Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to view, download, and share your high-quality videos directly from your smartphone. It's like having your personal cloud storage on wheels. The complimentary 128GB SD card ensures you have ample storage for your video footage. No more deleting old videos to make space for new ones. With this dashcam, you have all the space you need. One of the unique selling points of the ROVE R2-4K dual dashcam is the car dash camera with parking mode. This is a game changer. The parking mode automatically starts recording as soon as it detects any impact or collision when your car is parked. It's like having a security guard for your vehicle, only this one doesn't take coffee breaks. This feature is especially beneficial for those who frequently park in public spaces and want an extra layer of protection for their vehicle. But how does the ROVE R2-4K dual dashcam stand out compared to other products? Well, apart from its superior video quality, next-level night vision, generous storage space, and advanced parking mode, this dashcam also comes with a G sensor that detects sudden shakes or collisions and locks the footage to prevent video overwrite. It also has a built-in GPS that accurately records your driving location and speed. Talk about an all-rounder. In conclusion, the ROVE R2-4K dual dashcam is more than just a dashcam. It's your trusted co-pilot, your vigilant security guard, and your reliable storyteller. It's a dashcam that goes beyond just recording videos. It offers peace of mind, protection, and a dash of excitement to your driving experience. So if you're looking for a dashcam that ticks all the boxes and more, the ROVE R2-4K dual dashcam is your ideal match. After all, it's not just about the destination, but also about the journey. And this dashcam ensures your journey is nothing short of safe, secure, and spectacular. Sure, the ROVE R2-4K dual dashcam might not wash your car, but it's already doing a polished job where it counts. Thanks for watching our review. If this helped you out, please consider sharing it and subscribing for more content. Check the link for more details on the ROVE R2-4K dual dashcam. Surprise! The correct answer is B. Owl.